Okay, so today in math, we're going to be talking about groups of 10 in the number 100, okay? Does that make sense? Let me share so we're going to talk about how many groups of 10 are in 100. All right, so let me go ahead and share my screen so you all can see it, or share my camera, I should say. Well, here we go. Can everyone see my hundredths chart? Yes, can everyone see? I love that Nino's giving me a thumbs up. Oh, I love seeing the thumbs up. That helps me so much. Awesome. Okay. All right, now I can see everyone. All right, so we're going to talk about how many groups of 10 are in 100. So if I'm looking at this hundredths chart, who can tell me where one group of 10 is? Starting at 1, where's one group of 10? Go ahead, Oscar.
In the first row.
In the very first row, yeah, 1 to 10. So I'll just go ahead and box it. Or you know what would be easier for you all to see it is if I did this. Is that easier to see if I scribble over it? Yeah. Okay, so we have 1 to 10. That's one group of 10. Where is the next group of 10? Who can tell me where the next group of 10 is?
Next level is 11 to 20.
The 20. Nice job, Irisu. So and I could go ahead and count each box to make sure there's 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 boxes. All right, someone else raise their hand and tell me where is the next group of 10? Let's see, let's go with, oh, I don't. Let's go with Heavenly. Where is the next group of 10?
21 to 30.
Nice job.
I have a question.
What's your question?
If we already named one, can we go again or not?
Probably, because I don't. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think you can only go once because I think there's 10 of us in here. All right, who would like to go next? All right, Gabe, where's the next group of 10? Make sure you unmute yourself.
34 to 40.
Yep, 31 to 40. All right, where's the next group of 10? Let's go with Paxton. Where's my next group of 10, Paxton?
41 to 50.
Nice job. All right, where's my next group of 10? Let's go with, let's see, who have I not called on? Let's go with Raylan. Where's my next group of 10? All right, let's go with Niley. Where's my next group of 10? Make sure to unmute yourself first.
51 to 60.
Nice job. All right, where's my next group of 10? All right, if you haven't gone, go ahead and you can unmute yourself and tell me where the next group of 10 is.
Okay, the next group of 10 is at 70.
From 61 to 70?
Yeah, 61 to 70.
Yep, nice job. All right, where's the next group of 10? Go ahead and unmute yourself and tell me.
71,
Nice job, Sue. And where's the next group of 10?
81.
81.
Nice job. And my last group of 10 is where?
91, 100.
Nice job. So now I need to count up how many groups of 10 I shaded. Okay. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to write it like this. 10 groups.
Can you see it?
Of 10 in
groups
100.
equals 100.
Okay. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. Let me go grab one thing.
Oh, teacher.
Have you guys seen these before? Oh, I love seeing the thumbs up.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we know that there's 10 little cubes in each one of these, right? Okay. If I have one of these big squares, how many is that?
100.
100. So if I count, I could count how many sticks are in this big square. So I have 1, or I'll start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So do I have 10 different groups of 10 and 100?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Does that make sense? Does anyone have any questions on that? No, I see shaking of heads. All right. So let me go ahead and share what your worksheet will look like, okay?
Okay.
So let me zoom in on this. Make sure you're muted. Okay. Can everyone see this? Give me a thumbs up if you can see this. Oh, thank you, Paxton. Okay. So let me read the directions for you. It says determine how many groups of 100 can be created from the blocks shown. Okay. So how many groups of 10 are in 100 again? Who can remind me? Yes, Oscar.
10.
10. Okay. So what should I do to figure out how many groups of 100 can be created from these blocks? What should I do? Who can raise their hand and help me out? Yes, Nina.
I just forgot.
You just forgot? All right, who else would like to help me out? How do I find how many groups of 100 are in here?
Oh, I forgot about it. There's only one 100.
How do you know that, Nino?
Because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there's 2.
Can someone explain how there's 2?
What? There's a 10 groups and 10 groups, so 200.
Yes. So one of these little sticks is how many again? Who can show me on their fingers? Show me on your fingers. How many is one of these sticks?
10, 10, 10, 10.
Nice job. I'm seeing hands. I need to see all hands. How many? Show me. How many is in 1? Nice job. Kaylin, how many is in 1? I need to see your hands. Make sure you're not blowing bubbles while we're in class, okay? Okay, so there's 10 and 1. You all are right. So I'm going to just go by 10s and count. If I know there's 10 groups in 100, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, here's 10. I'm just going to circle them. Do I still have some left over? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Do I still have some left over from my 1 group? I still have some of these 10 stacks left over. So I'm going to count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many groups do I have now? Show me on your fingers. How many groups do I have now? Nicely done. I love seeing your fingers. Right, I have 2 groups of 10. Who can tell me how much is 2 groups of 10? How much is 2 groups of 10?
200.
Nicely done, Irisu. So I have 200 or 2 groups of 100. And then I have 1 left over, don't I? So the directions are just asking how many groups of 100. And since I only have 1, can I make 100 out of 10? If I only have 1 left? I can't make 100 out of 10. So I can only have 2 groups of 100, okay? On your worksheet, you'll have a little text box that says 2, okay? Does anyone have any questions about their worksheet? No? All right, let me.
I do. I have a question.
Go ahead, Nino.
Do the worksheets get like put on the Canvas, or do they get sent to you?
Yes, so I will show that to you here in 1 second. Does anyone have a question about anything else about math?
No.
All right. Yes, Oscar.
Do we only have to do 10 minutes of Dreambox if we're not in the group that's doing math or reading today?
Yes, I will answer that question, but let me go ahead and show you your independent work / worksheet, okay? Yes, Nino.
What's Dreambox?
I will answer that question too, but let me get you to your math independent work, okay? So let me share my screen. Here's our Canvas page that you all have been using, right? Oscar, make sure you're listening and not playing. So you will click on the math button, okay? Here's our groups that we're meeting with today. Okay. Remember, this is just small group work, so if you're not working with me in a small group, you're not clicking on this.
You make it very hard for a cat.
Wait, is that the math? Math page.
Yep, this is the math page. It looks pretty similar to the reading page.
Okay.
Okay, so what day is it?
Monday.
It's Monday, so I'm going to click on Monday. And look, eventually I'll have the recorded lesson up here, okay? You'll just click on that video. And then, do you see where it says counting 100s? Does everyone see that? Oh, thank you, Gabe, for your thumbs up. So I'm going to click on that image. And it says, it asks you to make a copy. So you're going to make a copy. Okay. And then here's your worksheet. It's the same exact one I was using. Here's the super, super important thing you need to do. Okay. For me to be able to see your worksheet and for you to turn it in, do you see this yellow share button up here?
Press it.
Yep, you need to press that. And then you need to type in my name. So if you just start typing in my last name, Stanfield, I should pop up in Allegra Stanfield. You should find my name, okay? And then once you type in my name, you'll click done. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So now, so you'll have the same questions. If you want to add like a rectangle or something like that, so you can cover the blocks or these so you can count, you can definitely do that. Does that make sense? So if I want to count 1, 2, so if you need that to help you cover that up while you're counting, you can definitely do that, okay? All right, and then does anyone, so then Dreambox. So has everyone been able to get onto their portal?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.